Hi, my name is Tiffany Valdeweza, and I will be your instructor for the Kinesiology 191-0021 class, Elementary Physical Education. So welcome to the class. I just wanted to take a few moments to go over the syllabus with you, and I'm going to be creating quite a few videos throughout the semester to kind of help you get oriented with some of the assignments and how to do the quizzes and things like that. So just wanted to first just kind of go over how to log into Canvas if you're not familiar with it. So from the home screen for Contra Costa College, what I normally do is just go to Quick Links, and then on the side here, there's Canvas. You click on that, and it will ask you for your username and your password. So I do have some new students to the class, um, and your username is going to be your Contra Costa ID, which will be the first letter of your first name, your last name, and the last three digits of your student ID. And normally your default password, if you haven't logged in yet, is going to be your 6-digit birth date. And if you've already reset your password, which it'll make you usually do after you've logged in, it'll be whatever your reset password is. So go ahead and enter your information, and once you put your info in, you'll go ahead and hit submit, and then it'll log you into Canvas. So once you've hit submit, you'll be in Canvas, and then it'll show you your dashboard of all the classes that you're taking on Canvas, and you'll see the kinesiology class, elementary physical education. So if you click here, it'll take you straight to my course. And normally what I do is I like to put up announcements. I'll put them up at least once a week with just different things. I've got the syllabus here, book info, course info. Everything's just kind of listed all throughout here, the quizzes, and then some information regarding the lesson plans and everything. So this course mainly is going to be about, teaching physical education at an elementary school level. I'm going to teach you guys how to create a lesson plan, what types of things that you need to be, make sure that um, you make sure that you're aware of when you're making these lesson plans. And then a lot of the work is going to be obviously the book work, which are going to be based off the quizzes. And the book we're using is going to be called Children Moving. It's the 9th edition. This book link, just if you click on here, it'll just show you. It doesn't work. You just click on the little white link there, and it just tells you the information about the book, what the book looks like right here, and then some information. If you are having trouble acquiring the book, please email me immediately. Um, I'll see what I can do about helping you out with that. I know that there were a couple copies on reserve at the library, but I'm not sure about the hours right now because of COVID. And then just one thing I wanted to make clear as far as classes go, I know in the course guide it said that we're supposed to be meeting face to face, but because of COVID, obviously, this is a completely online class. And I know everyone's schedules are crazy busy. So this is a self-paced course. You have the entire semester to get the work done, 13 weeks. Um, you can do it all as much as you want or as little as you want. You wait till the end of the semester or try to get it all done. My best suggestion is try to space it out. Try to do a little bit every week so you don't fall too far behind. But if you do want to, push through and work ahead, that'd be great too. Okay. And as always, I'm available to meet for office hours. Um, I'm pretty much open to anything. If you email me and say, hey, can we meet at 9 a.m. or can we meet at 9 p.m.? Either way, I'm good. So just shoot me an email, let me know your availability, and I'll work around your schedule. Okay, so what you probably received today was just a welcome letter explaining these details and about how we're not having any specific set meetings. And then I did share the link for the syllabus, so I will just take you through the syllabus really quickly. So on the syllabus, and then if I put a lot of links up, and if it doesn't open up immediately, you can always click on this white link up top, and it'll open up into a bigger link. So as far as the syllabus goes, it's pretty standard, just has all the information regarding the classes, the class info, just a little information about myself. I currently teach full-time at Pinole Valley High School, and then I'm an adjunct professor at Contra Costa College. So I've been doing PE for over 17 years. I did a little bit of elementary PE, but I do mostly high school PE as well. So, but I do, and then I also do PE classes during the summer at Contra Costa College. So this class is designed just to help you understand how to create a PE lesson plan, how to understand the types of standards that elementary school PE kids need to cover, and just understanding at the elementary level, the basics for PE. And these are just some information regarding the lesson plans, course outcomes, things like that, course content. You can read through this. I don't really have to sit there and go through all of this with you. And then just make sure you're logging in at least once a week, just so I can see a consistency of you guys, making sure that you guys are checking in class and that you're checking announcements, checking what you're supposed to be doing. And then the evaluations for the course are going to be right here. So just please pay particular attention to that. So you do have a syllabus quiz. Please make sure you get that done within the first 2 weeks of class. That's kind of how I can check to make sure that you're enrolled in the class, that you've logged in and you've done, something. And then you've got some quizzes. You got quite a few quizzes. Okay, I think it's like 33 if I'm not mistaken. And then they're different point values. Some questions are maybe 10. Some, I think there's like 2 tests that are like 24 questions. They're all multiple choice or true false. So you don't have to write anything. You can get all the work straight from the book. And then you've got a couple of lesson plans that I will definitely guide you through to help you write. But you're going to just come up with your own lesson plans for the class, and then you'll do one for just a regular lesson plan and then a modified one for an English learner and special needs student. You'll have you'll do like a visual aid diagram. You'll do like a short reflections. And then I also have like an icebreaker activity where, something that you would do at the beginning of school with your students, if you were to become an elementary PE teacher. So these are all the assignments that you guys have, and everything is due at the end of the semester. You guys have until, I believe, May 21st to get everything turned in. So there's no specific due date early on, with the exception of the syllabus quiz. This one needs to be done within the first 2 weeks, just so I can make sure that you guys are enrolled in the course and doing the work. Because if I don't see any activity, then I'll have to drop you. Okay. And then just a little bit of information about class policies, due dates, things like that, plagiarism, and then the grading system, which is pretty standard. 90% and above is an A, 80 to 89 B, and so on. Okay, so if you have any questions after looking through the syllabus, if things aren't making sense, please let me know. I can address it anytime, and I can always add or delete to the syllabus if something's incorrect. But I really look forward to working with you guys this semester, and then I will be making a couple more videos regarding specific assignments as well, so just be on the lookout for that. Okay, thank you guys.